Need to change your ALDI Mobile phone number? You have two main options: getting a new number or porting in an existing one from another carrier like Verizon or T-Mobile. A new number is best if you want a fresh start, perhaps to avoid spam calls. ALDI Mobile will assign you a completely new, unused number. This option is free and activates instantly after a SIM swap. Porting in, on the other hand, lets you keep your current number when switching to ALDI Mobile. You'll need to provide details from your old carrier, like account number and PIN. The process typically takes 1 to 2 days and may involve a small fee. Keep watching to see which method is best for you. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of choosing and changing your number on ALDI Mobile. For a new number, this is completely free and done through your ALDI Mobile account online or via the app. Activation happens instantly with a new SIM. For porting in an existing number, make sure your device is unlocked and you have your account number and PIN from your previous carrier. There's a small fee, and it takes 1 to 2 business days. During this time, some texts and calls may be lost as your number transfers. Remember, porting in is governed by FCC rules to ensure portability within 24 hours. ALDI Mobile's app even offers real-time status tracking. By 2026, AI tools are expected to automate most of the porting process, so it will be even faster. Choose what's right for you.